Hello guys, so welcome to my vlog.
Okay,
To this vlog guys, dito kami ngayon sa ano ang cave to? Sir? Kalinawan Cave guys, dito sa Tanay Rizal. So let's go guys. Alam na kami.
Yan. So welcome to Kalinawan Cave. So yung cave natin is classified as dry cave, so there's no water here. And then it has 5 layers po, no? But optionals lang yung third, fourth, fifth. So we will visit the first and the second layer po. So different pacing po siya, no? So yung pacing natin dito in the first layer, you will notice na yung ating ceiling is much higher compared to the second one, yung susundan natin. So dito kasi mataas yung ceiling and yung area is still wide and yung oxygen is still fine pa naman, and then yet may liwanag pa. However, going to the second level is there will be may differences po. Like for example, yung ating ceiling there is much lower na. So that is the reason why you guys are wearing hard hat. Baka po. Bakit eh?
Wala lang. Shock.
Ayan. So, takot ka. Ayan. Mababa yung ceiling natin. Pwede pong mauntog pero may helmet naman. Safe naman. And then time to time po ay i-remind naman po namin sa inyo kung kailan dapat mag-ingat, mas magdobling ingat at saka iwasan. And then zero visibility. So I am encouraging everyone to provide your at least one cell phone. Ayan, para magkaroon kayo ng ilaw. No? But don't worry, bibigyan naman namin ng ilaw. Turo-turo ganun. And then of course the highlight of your tour is to uncover the story or the history background of the Kalinawan Cave itself. So mamaya yan i-discuss ko sa inyo. And that is also part of your exam.
Oh, you have exam? May exam ba?
Wait nga lang, magkakaroon pa ng exam.
So, ibig sabihin, para hindi masayang yung katatalak ko dito, you will listen. And you will be listening every time. Okay, so ngayon ang makikita natin inside the cave ay different kinds of rock formations. So may mga variations siya, different na tawag, different names. So mamaya di-discuss din natin, included din yun sa exam. And then ang mga do's and don't inside the cave ay bawal tayo masyadong mag-ingay, magtapon ng kalat, mag-drop ng mga balat-balat dyan. And then of course, bawal magdala ng food. Bawal basta-basta kumapit sa mga bato. Joke lang. Yung hinawakan niya, wala namang crystals yun. So, yung may mga crystals ang bawal hawakan, no? Like for example, ayun dun sa part na yun.
So yung crystal.
Sa may baba, ayun.
Anong tawag sa rock niya?
Rock siya, but
Sedimentary.
ha?
Rock siya. Types of rock.
Hindi siya sedimentary. Limestone.
Limestone. Stone talaga siya.
Ibig sabihin,
Stone sa Tagalog ay bato.
ang
Papasok na kami guys.
Area or settings in a different kinds of local and international TV series. No? Sa mga local TV series, we have the Amaya Pagani and Cantajo.
Dito lang sila pala nag-ano.
Zuma, Galema, Once Upon a Time, Honesto, at marami pang iba. So more than 2,000 production films. And then, international si Jackie Chan. More than 2,000 production films na nakapag-take or nakapag-shoot. Nakapag-record ng films.
Ni Jackie Chan?
Yes. Si Jackie Chan way back 1980s pa yun. Ano? So,
Anong movie?
Super Fly One Operation Condor.
So yun guys.
Yung glitters na nakikita nyo, fake glitters lang yan.
Technique glitters na.
Ito yung mga natural yan. Ito. Ayan, inilawan ko.
Ayun.
Yan.
Ano po yung date?
Okay. Wala sir, mag-shooting or lang po siya.
Let's go na daw guys. We have to move out. So, good thing pala dito te, may ano sa te, may mga way din pala sa no, may mga hagdan. Hindi sa ganun kahirap iakyat.
Itong mga glitters lang ito na ano.
Glitters lang po yan sir. Tingnan nyo po sa mabuti yung artificial at saka yung natural.
Okay, so these are the rock formations, what we call stalactite. Kung nakikita nyo, yung those rock formations who are hanging from the ceilings. No? So ayan po. Okay. No, because of the yung pag-travel ng light, yung prism, because there's a white, kaya nagiging rainbow siya. Okay, so stalactite po yung sa ceiling natin, so it comes from the moisture.
Single
Okay, so before we go to the second layer po, let me remind you once again, medyo makipot, daan, yan. It's getting narrow, the ceiling is much lower, be careful. Always keep watching your head, and of course yung steps natin. And then, before we hold or i-balance natin yung sarili natin sa mga rocks, just make sure na walang crystals. Baka mamaya akala natin yung hinahawakan natin is bato lang, pala may crystals. So for your information, meron na po tayong Cave Conservation Code, and one of the sanctions is yung punishment natin or yung penalty once you damage the crystals, particularly here in the cave. Okay, so these are the curtain formations of natural crystals. You can take a picture na lang po instead of standing there kasi it's prohibited na, no? Bawal na po kasi pinapreserve. And as you can see and you've noticed, may mga part po na it's no longer shining na po. Like for example, etong mga to, unlike eto meron pa. So non-active na kasi formations or hindi na po siya natutuluan ng moisture, hindi na siya nababasa. So tuyot na siya. But unlike etong mga to, is still po nababasa pa siya, kaya active pa.
Sa pinakamalalim.
Okay.
Ang tawag ito.
Okay, so welcome to second layer po. Ayan po, parang tayo sa tunnel as you can
So
see.
you're probably gonna need your hands.
Look at my friend. Medyo makipot na yung daan, guys.
Tonight, below the ground.
Wow, amazing. The creation of God.
Okay, ingat sa taas. Julo, Julo.
Guys, so may mga...
Julo, Julo.
Okay, so bali, ito yung part na kung kanan natin ay before it's passable and for those tourists na gusto nila ng extreme and adventure experience here in Sedeque, we offer this area.
Sige,
But
pwede.
I'm sorry to tell you that area is no longer open to the tourists. Okay, as per the DENR and together with the collaboration of the OT Department of Tourism, okay, they advise us to preserve and close this area intended for the living animals, yung mga bats natin here. Kasi as you can see naman, we can visit all parts of the cave, but dapat meron tayong at least particular area intended for that animals. Kasi remember, we are all intruders here. That is the cave is their habitat. No? So nadi-disturb na natin sila. Wala na silang peace of mind. So instead of that, dito tayo sa easily. Don't worry, same route lang naman yan. And if you want to experience yung ating adventure, bakit meron kong nasa
Guys. Makipot na naman na daan. So we have to be careful.
Hindi, wag ka na magkanta.
Sa Dix, no? Sa tipot na daan.
Ingat po.
Ingat tayo.
Yan, kaya may helmet, di ba?
Oo nga po.
It's a good...
Yes. This is for safety.
Kung walang helmet, baka may bukol.
Kaya nga po. Ate, wala ba talagang may mga ilaw tayo dito? Or may,
Wala po kami
ano,
kuryente.
Nasa ano ng sun? Or...
Ay, wala po. Zero visibility talaga sa
yun nga pala.
Okay, ingat. Ingat sa taas.
Ingat.
Ulo-ulo.
adventure guys.
This is very adventure.
Another type of cold. As you can see, yung tayo compared, mas malaki po yung
Ano, crystal?
Kasera.
Sige na guys, sabi ng tour guide
Okay,
before,
ingat sa taas.
may nakatrado dito.
Ulo-ulo, ulo.
Opo, opo.
Okay, what's that? Ay, look at there's a water. The water from the mountain.
Sa baba.
Sa baba.
Bakit puti siya, te?
Abo, ganun po talaga.
Oo, kasi magiging bato siya ulit.
Ulo.
Magiging bato siya ulit. Ganun.
Kaya siya iba-ibang kulay red. Minsan may kulay brown. Kasi yung kulay ng lupa, mahawak.
Grabe guys, this is my first time to visit in this cave.
Ayan yung exit na nakakipot.
Ingat sa
So
taas.
slowly, but surely guys,
Julo.
Kanina meron dito sa area na.
Take a ladder.
Pero don't worry.
Dati may pumasok dito.
Wala po, sir.
oh my God.
That's it po, sir.
Kuya, yan hindi siya pwedeng pasukan ng tao.
Ingat tayo, ingat.
Sorry po. Tapos naman.
Bawal tayo mag-shout kasi syempre na
Minimize yung voice guys ha.
Maingay tayo.
Snake.
Ano talaga? So, according to our guys,
So those are the
to
stars yan pa
guys, may
rin.
snake daw dito kanina. So nabulabog siya kaya umalis na siya. Malayo pa ba tayo?
Malapit na po tayo sa exit ng second layer. No, hindi naman 3 hours.
Grabe naman napaka.
Siguro mga less than 200 steps na lang yun. Yung dadaanan natin. Anyway, guys, encourage ko muna kayo na please, paki-turn off muna yung light. Sorry for the video. But in reality, there's no linaw, there's no clear. Kalinawan means clarity or clear. Yan. So there's no linaw. Why do I call it kalinawan if it's dark inside the cave? Instead, dapat tinawag na lang nila dito is kadiliman or dark cave. So, do you think who will enter this cave if that is the name of the cave? No? Medyo creepy. So there's a story behind that name, no, Kalinawan. So it was discovered year 1901 by Chodo Lapiging and Felipe Matalino. So they were informer of guerrillas during World War II or during the Japanese, no? During the Spaniards' colonialization, no? So, the cave itself used by the Japanese for about 2 months. So, they used the cave as their camp and hospital during the World War II. But prior that, why they called it Kalinawan, the American and then the Katipunero used the cave as their meeting place, conference room, and secret passage. It has a connection going to the other dimension or other part of the province in Montalban, Rizal.
What's layo?
According to Felipe Matalino, he traveled from here, Tanay Rizal, Kalinawan Cave, going to Pamintinan Cave in Montalban, Rizal for about 10 days.
10 days.
Yan. So he used rope as a markers in different passages, no? Even. And then, for some reason, they used the cave as a secret panel or tunnel passage because during the Spaniards' colonization, we Filipino experience, tawag doon parang unforgettable moment or experience kasi we under colonized, they are very cruel. So, together with the Filipino soldiers and the American, so they used the cave to talk there about their plans, agreements. So, they used the cave as their very, talagang memorable. So, dito sila nag-build ng mga plans. Dito sila nagkaroon ng arrangement and pagpaplano hanggang sa nagkalinawan. Po, very talaga narrow na siya, no? Very
challenge. Ay, ang galing
You need
naman.
to get through without hitting any part of your body. So, once you hit, it means that you are not sexy. Pasensyahan tayo, sexy way, judgmental yung area.
Yeah, I don't want to be
Let's
sexy.
go.
Ulo. So, oh my God, it's very tight.
Slow down.
Slow down. There's a dito here.
It's slippery. It's slippery. Ibig sabihin maraming sinelas. Slippery.
Pero mabasa-basa na siya.
Ay, corny ni Kuya.
Kapag maraming nurse nursery yan. Charis.
Careful guys. Madulas yung madulas yung bato.
Alam mo yung madulas ako lang kasi tapos biglang siya yung nadulas.
Kaya nga, a while,
Minsan ganun no? Award.
Naranasan niyo na po yun.
a while vlogging. So,
Meron yung tinulungan mo siya para i-save siya, pero ikaw yung napahamak.
kaya nga, may ganun
May
kasi.
ganun din.
Ano yan?
Eto, malalaman nyo din yan kapag nakompleto na po tayo.
So, ay saan mo tayo dadaan ngayon? Dito ba o dito?
Ayan, paulit-ulit. Sabi ko nga, malalaman nyo yan mamaya. Nanggigigil ako. Tama po yan. Dapat po talaga nagtatanong ang mga tourist para may interaction.
Oo nga, kasi baka mamaya tayo ni Joker.
Nagkasalita ka naman isa dito tagtatanong.
Oo nga. Minsan nga gusto niyo palang itanong pero nasa...
Kasi dalawa yung way,
Makinig.
Stop the car. Charis. Ayan. So, welcome to the ending part of your second layer. Okay. So, that area will lead us to the third, fourth, fifth layer. However, this is the ending part or the exit of the second layer. So, yung ating exit talaga is located here in our second layer. So, those areas are optionals only. Ito po, that is not included in your third package na po, no? Kapag nag-third, fourth, fifth. But it doesn't mean na kapag nag-third, fourth, fifth may addition or another entrance fee and guides fee. So, it's about a contribution po yun, no? For the two tour guides. So, ayan po yung talagang nagiging income namin na malinaw in a day. Kasi yung binabayaran sa taas is centralized. Na hindi yung directly na pupunta sa amin yung tour guides fee and entrance fee. No. Okay, so yung third, fourth, fifth kaya siya optional, although na-inform namin si tourist during the orientation why it's dapat natin siya i-visit or bakit siya optional, ganito po yun. So there are times po na hindi siya open. Like for example, during rainy season. So yung water level natin doon ay umaabot hanggang ganito. Hanggang ganito yung water level during rainy season, no? And mag-subside man siya, hindi po siya ganun kabilis ang process para matuyo, no? Imagine, hindi siya nasisinaga ng araw. So, there's no chance para matuyo. To dry it, make it dry easily. Okay, so, balik, ngayon po, putik yung area and madulas. In the third layer, you need to make a squat position or duck walk. Kasi may ganito kababa.
Source na talaga para doon.
And then in the fourth layer po, talagang plank na tayo doon. Plank, baby crawl. And much worse thing po kasi, yung area po natin, yung area natin is maputik hanggang dito po yung putik doon ngayon. Yan. So you will enter like a fairies and then you will come out like a warriors na. Papasok ang diwata, labas ka madirigma. Ganon.
Pwede po magtanggal.
Magsasaka.
How long?
Yung long natin is about, siguro mga ano lang naman siya, mga less than 200 meters o mga less than 150 meters. Yung pag-stay naman natin doon siguro mga 15 to 30 minutes. It depends sa pacing, no?
Scorpion or what?
That is a spacer spider.
So, ayan guys, silang apat yung papasok sa level 3 ba? Level 3 pa. So, kami sa level 2 lang kami. So, alis na tayo. Bye! So, kami guys, ang level 2 lang kami. So, malapit na pa na palabas.
Dito sila.
Ito na.
Sabi lang kami.
Saan po sila dadaan mamaya?
Dito.
Ay, dyan sila.
Paikot lang sila.
Ikot lang pala eh.
Siguro mga 15 minutes or 20. Depende pa rin sa pacing.
Kaya nga po.
Ingat na siya, ha?
Opo. So ito na pala siya.
Opo, yan po yung exit.
So ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa exit.
Ingat lang po.
Ayan.
Ingat na, ingat.
Ito na yung exit dito guys. So ayan. Nakalabas na kami sa level 2 daw. So hindi na ako sumama dun sa sa level 3 and 4 kasi maputik tsaka madulas. So sabi kasi ng tour guide, mas maganda na pumunta dun sa level 3 pag pag summer season. Kasi ngayon kasi maulan. So ayun guys. Ito na kami sa exit or labasan nila. So ayun na nga guys, that's it for today's vlog. So yung vlog ko ngayon is unexpected, unplanned talaga guys kasi pumasok kami sa Kalinawan Cave. So best experience for me talaga. So bye, see you na lang sa sunod ng mga vlog. God bless you all.